Hello everybody and welcome to a special edition of Cooking with the Murphys. Today we're having Happy Birthday Lucia with Poffertjes pancakes from Amsterdam. We have this special Amsterdam pancake making pan. We have our bowl with our whisk, 1 cup of mix, a teaspoon of vanilla, a whole cup of milk, 1 egg, and we are going to introduce with the funnel the batter into these squirty things. The squirty things go over there, and we are going to make how many pancakes?
I don't know.
16 pancakes for starters, but it will make 65 altogether. So get your hungries up. Here we go. Inside the bowl, we put 1 cup of the pancake mix, 1 cup of milk. Now we need 1 egg. I put 1 egg in there. Now we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Drop that in there too. That takes care of that. And now we can whisk our pancake mix with the egg, the milk, the vanilla. Trying not to get it all over the place. Now we have a big burner and then we have a small burner inside of the burner. I've learned that you can't put this on high, so I'm going to put it on medium heat right now.
Wait a minute. You're going to do it right there?
Right there in the middle.
Right there in the middle with the
spray.
vegetable oil, which you're going to spray with, and then you're going to pour it in there, and they're going to cook right there. So there's like no oven, no nothing.
No, they're going to cook right here.
This is going to be good.
Thing we've learned is if this breaks, do not use it. Poor Glenn, he was so excited getting ready to spray the vegetable cooking oil that he bought from Weiss yesterday, and the cap broke. So now we have to figure out another way.
You do have a backup.
I have a backup.
Thank God.
I don't want to get the whole stove covered with this stuff.
So put a towel down, not on the burner. Spray away.
Now we get to pour the batter in the squirty thing.
So now he's got the batter inside of the squirty thingy. One thing you have to be very, very, very careful is do not let it get all over. He just got done cleaning up a disaster that could have probably gotten worse. But here we go. Take the squirty thing, start squirting. You don't want to go too full because you have to be able to frip them. As you can see, he's putting very carefully in there, enough to make 16 pancakes. This makes a total of 65. How much did this cost?
I don't know.
I think it was like $8 or $9 for the bag, maybe $5 or $6 for the ingredients. So now we're gonna let those babies cook. Now comes the trick. You take the stick and you have to frip it really quick to avoid sticking. Look how cute they look. Frip, frip, frip. Is that the stick that came with the kit?
No.
No, he's just improvising.
It's a skewer.
Oh, it's a skewer, okay.
You can
Frip,
use a chopstick if you want.
frip, frip, frip. Very careful, you have to frip them. What is the benefit of doing these versus regular pancakes, honey?
They are puffy.
Well, not only are they puffy, but there's ingredients not in these that are in the traditional pancakes, correct? Maybe not. There you have it. He's gonna do some more frip in there just to make sure they cook all the way through. Look at how nice they look. Honey, you did a beautiful job, just like when we were in Amsterdam.
How about it?
Only in Amsterdam, they were doing it on a bigger griddle, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, a bigger griddle, and there was a lot more of these pans, not just 16. They were fripping like 32 to 64 at a whim. Look at that. Instant mini pancakes, also known as Poffertjes. And you can easily do this at home. We will put in the comments down below what the ingredients are, what you need to make this, and hope to see you make yours as well.
Now watch. You gotta put the icing on the cake.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about the icing. Here it comes. Powdered sugar. Look at you.
There
Ta-da.
you have it.
Anything you want to say in closing there, Mr. Murphy?
They're very easy, very simple. You could do it at home. Get one of these.
And if you guys liked our content today, be sure to subscribe, like, comment down below, share it out with your friends, and yeah, happy birthday to me, Shorzy. Peace out.